Hello, my name is Joe Brennan, and a little bit about me is I'm beginning my third year teaching in Annandale. I've taught for a total of 15 years where I've kind of have been around central Minnesota in different districts. I am a St. Cloud State graduate working towards my master's in education degree from Concordia St. Paul. While in Annandale, I am the head girls track and field coach, and I also coach 8th grade football. Some things that we did this summer is we went camping. I got the 21-foot ice castle, and we did a lot of camping with that. Why did I choose this program? I felt that it connected with the needs that I needed to become a better teacher. And with everything going on right now, getting a master's in technology education would be a great thing for that. 3 learning objectives is we're going to be able to research and synthesize, meaning we're going to be able to gather material from credible sources, researching that, and kind of blending that into our general knowledge. We're going to analyze that and have application of that. We're going to formulate our own individual responses based upon our research that we have, and we're going to have ethics and professional behavior, meaning that we will model this to guide our research as we progress through this course.